This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Nancy Torres. New build with an open floor plan and large living area to entertain. 3 bedrooms, spacious master bathroom and walk-in closet. The home is centrally located within minutes from Texoma Parkway and Highway 75 and minutes from downtown Kelly Square. With more homes being built around the corner, take the opportunity to see what's available. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Torres at 940-704-0674.